we have 3 camera inputs, namely the PTZ left, PTZ center, and PTZ right. All of which is connected to this switcher A10 Mini Extreme ISO, and the camera 8 has been renamed to switcher for your easy reference. Ensure that light is on auto. If it's on a cut, just press back to auto. You have your inputs here 1 to 8. Select whichever input you would like to go up onto the live stream. For the audio, as long as you're having audio in your input source, switch it on, and then here is your volume button. For example, number 5, just make sure it's on and AFE. On the screen, you can see the various volume levels. Add source. Add a video capture device. Name it A10. Go to Blackmagic Design and click OK. That is for the video. Now audio input capture. A10 audio. OK. Blackmagic. OK. Volume, maybe somewhere at the 3/4 mark. Preferably use Google Chrome. Create by clicking Go Live. Wait for your page to load. Stream key. Copy the stream key and make sure you're on RTMP. Next, go to your streaming software, in this case OBS. Under Settings, Stream. New stream key. Paste your new stream key by doing paste, apply, OK, and now you can start streaming.